The ground shook for many on May 30th, 2025. That day, the US Supreme Court made a big decision. They said the Trump administration could hit pause on a program called CHNV. This program was a lifeline. It offered something called humanitarian parole. It was for people from Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Venezuela. These are countries facing very tough times. The program allowed them a chance to live and work in the US legally for a little while. Now that chance is suddenly in danger. This news was a shock. It felt like a door slamming shut for so many. This ruling has huge effects. Right away, nearly 500,000 people are caught in the middle. We are talking about 530,000 to 532,000 human beings. They had temporary legal status. This status meant they could work, they could build a life, they could feel safe. For 2 years, this was their reality. Now that reality is threatened. Imagine having that safety net, and then suddenly, it's pulled away. This is what these individuals are facing. The fear must be overwhelming. Their futures, once looking a bit clearer, are now very cloudy. This did not happen out of nowhere. The Trump administration has been moving this way. On his very first day in office, January 20th, 2025, President Trump signed an order. It was to end all categorical parole programs. The CHNV program was one of these. Then, in March 2025, DHS Secretary Kristi Noem made an announcement. She said the CHNV parole process was ending immediately. This applied to everyone in the program. The reason given was the government's strong interest in fast deportations. It was a clear signal. The CHNV program itself had good intentions. It started under the Biden administration in 2021. It grew in 2023 to include more people. It was based on an old law, the 1952 Immigration and Nationality Act. This law allows parole for urgent humanitarian reasons or significant public benefit. The idea was to help people fleeing unsafe conditions. It was a way to offer a temporary safe place. Now, this humane approach is clashing hard with a push for quick removal. The contrast is stark and painful for those affected. Think about what this means for everyday life. Losing legal status means losing work authorization. Jobs disappear overnight. People who were working hard, paying taxes, supporting families, suddenly they can't. Imagine Maria, who came from Venezuela. She found work as a cleaner in a hospital. She was sending money back to her children. She was learning English. She felt she could finally breathe after escaping chaos. Now, her job is gone. Her ability to stay is in question. This is the reality for so many. The stability they found is crumbling. The biggest fear, of course, is deportation. These individuals could be sent back to the very dangers they fled. Many have already started other applications. They might be seeking asylum or